Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, I'm thrilled to be sharing some tips and ideas with you today on a topic that's close to my heart: maximizing space and style in small living rooms. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. We all know the challenge of creating a functional and beautiful living area when square footage is limited. But fear not, because with the right furniture design choices, even the tiniest living room can become a stylish and comfortable haven. Furniture design for a small living room is more than just picking pieces that fit. It's about strategic selection, thoughtful placement, and maximizing every inch of available space. It's about understanding proportion, scale, and the flow of movement within the room. It's about creating an illusion of spaciousness through clever design choices. Essentially, it's a holistic approach to furnishing that prioritizes functionality, comfort, and style, all while working within the constraints of a limited footprint. It's about making your small living room feel larger than it actually is. Choosing the right furniture design for your small living room unlocks a wealth of benefits. Firstly, it maximizes your living space, making it feel less cramped and more open. This improved flow contributes to a more relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. Secondly, well-chosen furniture can enhance the functionality of your living room. Multifunctional pieces like storage ottomans or sofa beds can serve multiple purposes, adding practicality without sacrificing style. Thirdly, the right design can significantly impact the aesthetics of your space. By selecting furniture that complements the room's style and color scheme, you can create a visually appealing and cohesive look. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, the right furniture design can drastically improve your overall comfort and well-being. A well-designed small living room is a space you'll truly enjoy spending time in. How do you choose the right furniture design for a small living room? Selecting the perfect furniture for your small living room requires careful consideration. Start by measuring your space accurately. This will help you determine the appropriate scale and size of your furniture. Next, consider the layout of your room and how you intend to use it. Do you need a space for entertaining, or is it primarily for relaxation? This will guide your furniture choices. Opt for pieces with clean lines and avoid bulky or overly ornate designs. Consider multifunctional furniture, such as a coffee table with storage or a sofa bed for guests. Pay attention to the color and texture of your furniture. Lighter colors tend to make a space feel larger, while darker colors can add depth and drama. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts until you find one that works best for you. What is the best furniture design for a small living room? There's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the best furniture design depends on your individual needs and style. However, some key principles can guide you. Now, let's explore the top 10 best furniture design ideas for small living rooms to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Sofa with storage. A sofa with built-in storage underneath the cushions is a fantastic way to hide clutter and maximize space. 2. Love seat instead of a full-size sofa. Opting for a love seat or smaller scale sofa can make a big difference in small spaces. 3. Ottoman with storage. A storage ottoman serves as a footrest, coffee table, and extra storage, all in one. 4. Foldable or extendable dining table. If you need a dining area, choose a table that can be easily folded or extended when needed. 5. Wall-mounted shelves. Shelves mounted on the wall provide valuable storage and display space without taking up floor space. 6. Corner sofa. A corner sofa can maximize seating in a small living room while utilizing often underutilized corner space. 7. Clear acrylic furniture. Transparent pieces like acrylic chairs or tables can make a room feel larger by visually opening up the space. 8. Mirrors. Strategically placed mirrors can create the illusion of more space and reflect light, making the room brighter. 9. Multifunctional console table. A slim console table can serve as an entryway table, a desk, or even a dining table in a pinch. 10. Vertical storage solutions. Think tall bookcases or shelving units that utilize vertical space effectively. Remember to choose furniture that reflects your personal style and creates a space you love. Creating a stylish and functional small living room is entirely achievable with careful planning and the right furniture choices. Remember to prioritize functionality, scale, and flow. By following these tips, you can transform your small living room into a space that's both beautiful and comfortable. Don't forget to subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home decor and design inspiration. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite small living room furniture ideas are.